Hi friends, welcome to Fabulous Chef. In today's video, let's see how to make a Sri Lankan style Killi Potta Sambar. So let's see the ingredients first. Today, I've taken about 1 cup of Missouri lentils, about 10 garlic cloves, some dried red chillies, some curry leaves, some cumin seeds, about 3 large tomatoes, some freshly grated coconut, and about 2 onions which is chopped. So let's first boil the Missouri lentils or Mysore paruppu in some water. I've added about 2 cups of water and also add about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder to the lentils. This gives a nice color to the sambar. When it's boiling, let's add about 10 garlic cloves which is crushed. Add the 2 large onions which we have chopped, and also add the tomatoes, about 3 numbers, which is also finely chopped. So keep the flame in medium and let it boil. Now take a mixer jar. Let's extract the coconut milk from the coconut. I've taken 1 coconut. So add it into the mixer jar and add about 2 cups of water. Grind it and let's strain the first milk. Squeeze the coconut well so that we can get the thick first milk from the coconut. Keep this aside and repeat the same process to extract the second milk. So let's extract the second milk. Usually the first milk is very thick, the second milk is quite watery. The coconut milk gives a very good flavor to the sambar. So you can see that our lentils are boiling. Let's add the second milk first. When the lentils are cooked, let's add the first milk. Always add the second milk first and then the first milk goes in. So we have added the second milk. Let it boil well. You can see that the lentils are nicely boiled. So let's add the first milk and also add the sufficient amount of salt only after the lentils are boiled. Now take about 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds and about 6 garlic cloves and crush it together. Now take a pan, add about 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, let's add about 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of Urudhal. Stir fry it till the Urudhal is nice and golden brown. At this stage, let's add about 10 dried red chillies. This gives the spice and the heat to the gravy. You can alter the chillies according to your taste. Today I am adding about 10 dried red chillies. Now let's add the crushed garlic and cumin into the oil and stir fry. Also add a few curry leaves. Stir fry till all the ingredients are nice and golden brown. If you like the sambar a little more spicy, you can also add a few chili flakes, about half a teaspoon of chili flakes into the stir fry. Now let's transfer it into the sambar. And finally, garnish it with some coriander leaves. Check the seasoning. That's it friends, our delicious Killi Potta Sambar in Sri Lankan style is absolutely ready. Serve it with a nice idli or dosa. Do try this recipe, like and subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below.